Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use a DeWalt 5-in-1 adjustable hacksaw. Let me show you what this thing can do. Okay, as it's set up right now, you see it's like a traditional hacksaw. What I do like about this nice grip handle here, you can really kind of grab a firm grip here, and then even on the other end they've got a rubber coated grip here, so if you're doing some cutting, whether it's metal or anything you would cut a hacksaw, use a hacksaw for, it's a really nice solid tool. So when you have it set up like a straight blade like this is high tension for cutting, whether it's metal or plastic. It all depends on the type of blade you use. It has the added benefit of these other pins on the side that achieve a 45-degree angle if you mount that blade for specific cutting, depending on what you're using it for. That's something that electricians find that comes in handy to have that blade at a 45-degree angle. It also has this adjustable bracket on the back here that allows you to release the blade and adjust the tension right here. So this is what you're going to do to remove the blade, and let me show you how you can reconfigure this saw for other uses. Okay, now if you would like to reconfigure this saw to a tighter quarters, you go ahead and release the handle here, remove the blade, and this portion right here comes off. Now you see you've got a pin here and a pin here to allow you to set up that blade in a tighter angle. So if you had some really tight spots that you had to get at, you tighten, set up that blade, and now you see that the profile of the saw is much sleeker. So in tighter spaces, this can be really useful. Another configuration is you can remove this portion, go ahead and lock that in place. You can use this in a tight reach situation. See, there's a set screw right here that you can loosen by hand, but then you'll need a screwdriver to tighten these. Then you can take this blade and slide it into this slot and use it for a tight quarter application, tightening this set screw here and the one in the back. And then if you needed to reach into a tight spot to do some cutting, though the blade is flexible, it does almost like a giant keyhole saw. This end right here was the part that I took off when I was reconfiguring the saw. This is kind of unique because this becomes a jab saw that you could use like a drywall saw. So you go ahead and loosen this set screw right here, and you drop this blade. This is like a traditional blade that you would see on a reciprocating saw that kind of comes inside. You catch that tooth on that pin right there and then tighten it up. And now this is actually a keyhole saw. And so you can see you've got many uses when it comes to using this DeWalt 5-in-1 hacksaw. Those are just a few of the many uses of this 5-in-1 tool. If you need more information, you can always go to our website, acehardware.com, or better yet, stop by your neighborhood Ace Hardware store, because Ace is the helpful place.